Good morning, everybody. It is 8:36. I think I've been up for an hour. Yeah, it's like kind of gloomy outside. Just hold on a second. It's kind of gloomy outside. Like it rained all night long, so everything's all wet.
Have one every day.
One every day. One every day. Yeah. So that's what's going on, you guys, today. We never got a chance to go to the library because I have like 7 books to read, Ben. And I just rather get them all done. So today we're gonna read those books. We're gonna probably read them in just a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the library today. I gotta figure out their hours, and we're gonna get some movies.
Now we read one more Dragon Doll, we get 10.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do that. I might move some furniture around today. Like I was gonna bring the toy box upstairs, you guys, but it's kind of, I can't lift it, and Graham just went to work, so it's just sitting right next to the stairs, and I'll bring that upstairs today. And then I'm thinking of moving the kitchen and the changing table, and then I'm gonna have a little craft table up here, just because I'm sick of, one of you guys, Lisa, I think, or not Lisa, it was Melinda. I can't remember. I should go. But one of you guys mentioned that that I should, you know, have a craft table somewhere else near the not near the kitchen table, so that my kitchen table can stay cleared, which I agree 100%. So I think I might work on that today, or a little bit of here, a little bit of there. So that is what's going on. Other than that, I'm just gonna have a nice, good, relaxing day. I'm gonna work on my cups. Yeah, I'm gonna do a spray paint deal. I'm not doing hydro dipping today because I gotta figure out what I want to do for hydro dipping, but I'm gonna work on another. I'm working on like 4 or 3 different videos for the bling cups, you guys. And then I want to start doing, I want to start working on Halloween stuff because that's like right around the corner. There's actually a couple shirts that I want to make for Halloween. And so I want to just make some shirts. I want to definitely make a Hocus Pocus one, and then there was one with serial killers, and I thought it was kind of cool because I love it. I love Scream. So I think I'm gonna make. I think I might cut that out today and make it. What? 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 She said, "You want some breakfast?" Yeah, she's been obsessed with shoes, you guys. Like, I got her jelly shoes, and she just hands them to me, and she just wants to wear shoes all day long. So cute. So cute. Yeah, we'll get you some breakfast. Use your words. Use your words. So, that is how my day is going, you guys. Thank you guys for all the positivity. I'm hoping to have another great day. We're working on it, you guys. We are working on it, working on it, working on it. So I'm going to try to move some furniture around today. Graham probably won't like it, but that's just how things go. So I will catch you guys all back in a little bit. Hey, you guys. So it is like 10:59. Just went outside to empty the pool because we have had a lot of rain the last couple days. And it's like the pool turned green. So I moved it, cleaned it up, filled it with water. Kind of sprayed the swallow nest underneath our deck. It's just all full of mud. So yeah, Charlotte took a nap maybe about an hour ago. I'm gonna actually make like an early lunch, late breakfast. I'm just gonna have some hamburger helper because I have a box that's expiring soon, and I have hamburger that's gonna get bad if I don't eat it. So that's what I'm gonna make for lunch. And then I tried moving Ben's furniture in his room just to see if we could get some more stuff, but it was just like a fail. So I have an idea. I'm gonna put the play kitchen in front of the fireplace because we don't need the fireplace for at least another several months. So I was thinking of putting the kitchen there and then putting my little crafting table there. I'm still gonna keep the changing table up just because I like to have the storage for the diapers and everything. So that is fine, but yeah, I'm gonna definitely move the kitchen in front of the fireplace in a little bit. After I eat, I gotta take my medicine, and then I'm gonna move my table that's right here. I'm just gonna put it in the corner because I have a crafting area downstairs, but it's really hard to craft when the kids are upstairs. Like, I have to keep an eye on them, but so that's what I plan on doing. So Ben's outside playing. He was watching Cloud with a Chance of Meatballs 2. Now he's inside, so I'm gonna make some lunch. Yeah, really? That's exciting news. So it is 12:48. I just got done reading all the books that we had for Ben. They're actually due in a couple days anyways. So we're gonna head to the library. They actually closed 3 minutes ago. They closed for 15 minutes just to kind of wipe everything down. And then they'll open at 1. By the time we get there, it'll be 1. And then we're gonna get, Grandma wants me to get him some food. So I'm gonna get him some food real quick. And then we're gonna come home, just kind of relax a little bit. I'm gonna get some stuff done. Maybe hopefully get some furniture moved. Ouch! Don't bite! Don't bite! Charlotte, no. No, honey. We don't bite. That's a fake cry if I've ever seen one. So I'll see you guys back. Hey everybody. It is 8:05. I bought the Trolls movie today at Best Buy because I was using my P&G gift cards. And I noticed that Amazon had it for $5 cheaper. So I had to do a chat with Best Buy to see if they would price match, and they said they would. And so I paid for it, and I used my gift cards. And seriously, she's pooped like 5 times today. Seriously, kid, you stink. But I did it where I used my gift cards, and I was gonna do in-store pickup. Well, then I got an email that says like my process didn't work or something. I don't know. So I tried chatting with them again, wasn't working. I tried calling the actual store, they would not pick up. So it's like I have a feeling that they're not going to price match, or they're not gonna pull my order. So tomorrow I'm just gonna go there and be like, yo, I want it for this price, and I'll just pay for it for this price. So that's how my day's going. But otherwise everything's fine. I think I showed you guys, but I moved the furniture. I put my table right here, so this is just like my little crafting area, so I don't have to do it on the kitchen table. So now I can just kind of do my cups and do everything right there. So I still am on the main floor with the kids, because it's really hard to do stuff downstairs when everything's happening upstairs until, you know, the kids until Charlotte gets a little bit older. It's a different story. And then I put the changing table right here. I'm gonna organize it. I'm gonna get some little like bins, which I do have, just to organize it a little bit. I put the trampoline in front of our fireplace because then we can see the TV a little bit easier. I put the little kitchen in front of the movies so I can still block the movies and we can still get to them. So that is how much furniture I moved. Still waiting for Graham to help me, but Ben's toy box upstairs right now, they're playing outside, so we will get to that when we get to it. I finished my 1 cup, so I'm hoping to post that video tomorrow, you guys. I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna try to work on another video. I look like crap, but this is how it is. But yeah, just, you know, I got some furniture moved, I got some stuff picked up, but you know, I didn't have a successful day, but I feel like I did get, you know, the stuff that I really wanted to do done. But Charlotte's is typing stuff on Graham's computer. What are you typing up? You gonna go buy something? What are you gonna buy? New shoes? New shoes? She's obsessed with shoes lately. Did you buy some new shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Were they pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Can you tell everybody, say I'll see you later?
Yeah.
Oh, say see you later.
Yeah.
Today, you guys, she said bye-bye. It was so cute. So cute. So, tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing. Graham and I do not want to go anywhere. Well, I don't know if we'll not go anywhere, but we don't want to do very much. So I probably will work on the basement a little bit. I'm going to try to work on another cup. You know, just get some stuff done here and there. Maybe, you know, we can get some actual stuff, accomplished. I might put some stuff on sale. I'm hoping Graham will help me get all the Ben's clothes all folded up and get ready for them to sell those. And then I want to start selling Miss Charlotte's clothes. I also want to sell her rocking chair in her bedroom. I'm going to see if Graham will let me sell some of her toys. I think I'm going to sell her onesie from her birthday, to see if anybody else can wear it. Did you hurt your fingers? Did you hurt your fingers? She keeps going to Lazy Susan, and it has baby locks on it, but she knows how to open it. I put a bar stool in front of it, and she knows how to move that. So, it's a lost cause. Why are you so grumpy? Are you so grumpy? Okay, so I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. I can't believe it's already Friday. I gotta prepare for Sunday already. Crazy. So I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.